Good evening everyone and welcome to another Space Engineer stream today. Not SnowRunner for a change, because reasons. I just wanna, well, mix it up a little bit for today. And also since that can't be that long of a stream during the weekdays, usually I like a little bit of Space Engineers more than SnowRunner. I always have the feeling that SnowRunner is not really worth it when you just play for an hour or two. So yeah, today it's Space Engineers time again in my beautiful little single player world here. I don't really remember what the state and on which state I was when I ended the last time. I think I built that pump building down here and finished it. My vehicle is still here, so that is a good indicator on what I did last. So let's check it out. I think I built all of that. Yeah, until here. I collected enough ice for now. And yeah, I think it's time for me to start a hangar building, and I think I really need to recharge this one here. The hell? Did I leave that on? Well, apparently I left that thing on, so a different problem just emerged. I need to recharge that thing here. How do I do that? Probably one or two small batteries should be enough power to get that thing back up. Yeah, I left all the lights on. Well, that was dumb. Okay, let's see if I can fit some small batteries in here. That should work, I think. Let's see, I should have cargo access down here, which I do. But where is my battery? Not a single one in my hotbar here. Well, that's not good. Where should I put that though? Probably in here, since I still have that stuff in here. Battery. There we go. So yeah, I hope you guys had a nice Monday. I, well, more or less did. I had to work, so that's never that much fun, I guess. But it was okay. Will get removed if you spawn a new one. Okay, I don't want to spawn a new one though. Alright. That hopefully gives me enough power to get it up to my other building. Let's go. Oh, 14 minutes. No problem. No problem at all. I do not need 14 minutes to get those few hundred meters up there. I already have a connector on that thing, so I just need a small connector somewhere on that building. where? Where do I want to build that hangar? I feel like to the north-northeast is probably a good idea. Oh, look at that. I weld all of that up. Why did I do that? Weird. But I have the problem that there is that stupid bush here, which I cannot get rid of. At least I don't know how. I mean, trees you can just grind down, but there is nothing to grind here. And I actually don't know if voxel hands would do the trick. I could try though. Let's try that. I need to enable creative mode for that, I think, and then I should have voxel hands here. Oh yeah, it works. Well, that's good. Then let's get rid of the creative mode tools again, and let's get rid of that. Perfect. I didn't know that this is a thing. I always thought if the bushes are there, they are there. You cannot get rid of them. But apparently not, so I'm going to build the hangar to the north-northeast. Let's get that thing on the side here. And see if I can get that hooked up. Normal rotor should be good enough for that. Oh, really? Let's get rid of that and add a small head and weld all of that up so that it doesn't turn on its own, which would not be great. Okay, now I think I just need a... Is that actually the right height? It looks pretty close to the right height. Let's just try a connector then. I probably don't have the small connector on here anymore. No. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, come on. There we go. Probably should also have at least one cargo access on the outside here. Somewhere. Alright, let's see if I can hook that up. Or if it is indeed the right height. That is... really looks like the right height, but it is hard to get a lock on these small... Oh, well. Ah, damn it. That is too far off. Which means I need to get rid of that again and put a hinge. 2 hinges in between. Okay then. Hinge. Small grid. really haven't played that game in a long time anymore. Don't remember all the keys. Should I do a hinge and a piston? Nah. Let's do it like this. And another hinge, which I cannot place for some reason. There we go. That should give me enough. Yeah, that should give me enough opportunities to turn here. Where is? There it is. Whoop. And I need another small connector since I have all scrap on here. Which means I cannot get any of the materials I put in here back. But that shouldn't be a problem here anymore. I have so much stuff on this world that is amazing. Okay, let's get that up and that down. Then I should be high enough up, hopefully. That is enough. Alright. There we go. Oh. Okay. It immediately discharged completely? What's going on with my power situation here? Where's my power panel? There it is. Solar is good. Huh. That was weird. I am using all the time some battery power for some reason. Huh, who knows? It should recharge though. I should have enough power for that. Yep, 6% and loading. So let's create a group for the buggy batteries. Battery, and that is the buggy. And get that group. Welder batteries, buggy batteries, there it is. Recharge and recharge. And now that thing should be up and running in no time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very good. So now that I can't drive right now to that signal, I think I should fly. That should be enough. Don't hit the trees. Okay. What do we have here? A rainbow rifle. Well, at least it's not rainbow gloves, which I have a ton of. Those signals are becoming more and more underwhelming, actually. Because I just can't seem to get any good stuff out of it. Ooh, look at the moon there. Nice. This is the way I have to fly. Ooh. Ouch. Oh, I forgot about the atmospheric effects. If you are flying very fast, your suit gets very hot due to the air, which ultimately will kill you at some point. Which I would call not cool. Okay, let's do the most important thing here. Grab that color, because that is going to be a inside wall here. And since that is going to be a like lift, I think I should get some sort of railing around it. But it should be an open one, I think. Because in theory I need to actually drive a car down there at some point. At least I want to try that. I have no idea though if I can get railings to move like a door. Don't really have an idea for that. And of course I'm out of materials again. Okay, that should definitely be a railing completely here. Probably even a double one here. Maybe like that, and then a walkway onto the elevator. And on here I can put stuff and things that I probably haven't had the mods installed yet. Oh wait, we have angled. Oh, we have angled. I forgot about that. That is even better. Get out of here. There we go. Okay. Ooh, that actually works pretty dang good. Could have a railing here. Oh, that is the middle one. I don't want that. Sure, why not? Let's do this. Double railing here. That is going to stay open, so you can just walk on here. And now I could do a diagonal railing here and here. I like that. Leaves it a little bit more open. I'm going to do that. If I go like this and leave that part completely open, you can just drive on here. I'm not sure. I am not sure on that. Definitely not. How many attachment points does that stuff have, and how do I switch again? Help topic, settings, draw overlays, control plus. Mounting points. How many mounting points do you have? That is not a lot. That is definitely not a lot. Especially since it would have to be a small grid, which it isn't. Damn it. I'm not happy with that. I will have to think about something else for this. Stuck. Why am I stuck? It was weird. Oh, let's do a different thing first and finish the railings here. Overlays off. Better. There's my other elevator button. Should be down by now. There it comes. Let's hope it doesn't get stuck on that railing. And of course it does. Damn. Damn it. Ow. Ow. That threw me to the ceiling. What the hell? Ooh, I did not expect that. Hello there. Where's my backpack? There it is. Okay, let's not do that again, I guess. $46. Yep, that was something else, I guess. Flung me right into the ceiling. Oh, well, I'm not doing that again. I'll just leave that as it is. Probably the best thing here. I'm just happy that nothing exploded, actually. Alright, how am I going to do some sort of safety around that elevator? Should I put a wall in here, maybe? It would fit a wall. Don't really want to have a wall in here. I could get a second story in if I do that. But first I need to put my tools back in here. I will have to redesign the windows though if I do that, but that shouldn't be that much of a problem, I guess. And it would break apart the looks a little bit on this side, I think. Doesn't make it look so uniform. What kind of doors, hangar doors do I have? Just the standard ones. I forgot to put the other mod in. GER. Probably should do that. But a warfare hangar door might be enough, actually. It is 3x3, is it? I think it is. Let's check it out. Oh no, it's just 2. That is not enough. Okay. Let's add that mod. I hope I remember which mod it was. Edit settings. Rebels gates and Rebels lights. I didn't put that on either. That is not okay. I really should do that, and I definitely advising everybody who wants to build like a lot of big ships and stuff to put those mods on their respectable save, because they are amazing. The light mod adds really nice like street lights and stuff that you actually can really good use. And the Rebels gates are just basically bigger gates for hangar doors and stuff. Okay, I just got an email from eBay which was asking if I still use my eBay account. No, actually. So you can delete it, thank you very much. That was weird. I didn't even know I still had an email account, an eBay account. Alrighty. Now I should have gates. Extra large hangar gate. Oh, what is that? That looks to be vanilla. Oh, it's just a little small. Not wide enough, I think. They don't have any wider gates here. huge hangar gate. Let's check out the extra large. Whoa. Yep. That is definitely extra large. I never used the gate mod before, but wow. That is insane. And that is the extra large one. Oh my god, that's the huge one. And that's apparently the giant one. Holy macaroni. That is clearly insane. But very nice. Especially if you're going to do like I do and have a big hangar. But that is actually too big. Steam power, what the hell is that? Steam pipe, interesting. I did not know that I have something like this on here. Yeah, and that's the part of the light mod you got with the rebel lights here. You can just construct really nice like walkways and stuff, or even a park with those, which looks really good. So, but back to my problem at hand. Hangar doors are too small all the time. I probably need to do a windowed. What's the difference between this and this? Because I have no idea. Basic computer. Basic computer? Did I accidentally put on a mod I didn't want to? Because I now have metal detectors here? What the hell? It seems normal. Aluminium armor. Aluminium plate. Okay, something is wrong here. Something is weird. Where is that coming from? Did I miss something here? Where's my ore detector? Ore detector. Okay. I apparently don't have a large grid ore detector anymore on here, and I think the range is not set correctly. I am a tiny bit confused. I need to check that in my mod settings because I have no idea why I suddenly have aluminium here. Scrap, that is all normal. Ore detector plus is also still on. Sleep mode is okay. Bullet trails, quality of life, mechanical keybinds, armored thrusters. Ah, okay. I know now why that is part of the industrial overhaul mod. I can't use the rebel lights here because they need the industrial overhaul as well, which I currently don't have and currently don't want to try out because I haven't used that before. So no rebel lights for me. Einen wunderschönen guten Abend, auch an dich, Marco. Oder guten Hallo. Wie geht's? Pretty good. That is nice to hear. That is very nice to hear indeed. What did you do today? Except probably working, since it is Monday. Okay, let's see if everything is back to normal here now. Yeah, that looks all pretty normal again. I don't have any other production blocks. Perfect. Do I have the hangar doors still? I do. Perfect. Very good. I'm going to use the windowed standard vanilla whatever one though. Okay, I need a hole in the floor. Probably right here actually. On the outside, because I don't want to change up that. Well, actually could change up that one window and put the door in here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put a solid wall in here, since I have to redo that anyway. Just like that, and the wall will be here. I need steel plate though. And from here on out will be my hangar door. Oh, that is a lot of text, Marco.
You seem to be overloaded. Have you considered our inventory DLC? Inventory is full.
Oh yeah, my
Maybe
inventory is
consider
full again.
changing things.
Perfect. Where is that steel scrap? Okay, apparently the scrap is fallen through the world, maybe? Okay. Let's check up what is going on with Marco today. You fucked up a guy in Red Dead. How did you fuck up a guy in Red Dead? He thought about attacking me. And you repeatedly killed him with the sniper about 20 times. Well, yeah, I will call that fucked, pretty much. And then you were at the base where he couldn't do anything to you, and he taunted you, and well, yeah. Today not much. Insurance guy was there. Thinking about writing a bestseller, okay? Depending on what it is, I might read it. But that sounds like a eventful evening yesterday, and actually a pretty uneventful day today, except for probably having to deal with insurance guys, which is not always fun. Alrighty, that is part of a door, I guess. It is 2 spaces high. 1, 2, 1, 2, and should be in there then. Let's see. Yep, that looks good. One more. Alright, and with that, I should have enough room to drive a vehicle in here if I have to. Now I have to remodel that space, at least that wall here. But I think I'm going to go the easy route here. Grind out that, and that, and that, and that. Put a solid wall in between here as a roof. Then I have to grind out these 2 and get a end piece in there. And make it look good from the outside at least. Let's do it. Yeah, the whole thing went on for about 30 minutes with that guy. And he didn't leave you alone. Well, that's always the case with guys like that. At least in my experience. Yeah, he should have just gone away and everything would be good. What do I build? I wanna try and lay out a little bit of like a hangar building on this end of that, well, production facility here. But since I have an elevator in here, I thought about closing off that area of the elevator a little bit. Make it with the hangar doors here accessible via vehicle. And from here probably just with a simple door to the elevator. And maybe put a little bit of like a living quarter on top here, on that floor. I'm not sure if I'm going to change anything here now. Probably not. And once that is all laid out, I'm going to start and lay out a little bit of a hangar building, which is basically a smaller version of that building I have already. Going to do like a little slope down here. And then a little bit further along. Just so that I don't have to build like a huge hangar door for that thing. Sure, I don't leave you alone as well. You never leave me alone. That's why I ask you to marry me. Did you do the blurb thing, Lisa, or have you forgotten it already again? Yeah. It always goes both ways. You know that. Alright, I need a door. Maybe a clear door this time. Sure, let's do a clear door for a change here. That looks good for a... oh, my light just went on. That should look pretty good for a elevator door, actually. I think. And now I can make a use of my... God damn it, where is it? Here. Is that the right one? It is, of course not. I can go like this. Oh, come on. Oopsie. Looking for the sound right now. That is very nice. Tomorrow you can tell me how you get a yes out of your wife. Stalking and she didn't have a choice anymore. That is very cruel. I think that will look decent. Especially if I go like this, I think. Where's my half slab? There it is. Oh yeah, that's going to be a high elevator. Oh, by the way, I got killed by my elevator about 30 minutes into the stream already. That was neat. Yeah, I tried to build like a railing. I got the elevator down, built a railing here, and then when I got the elevator up, it didn't go all the way up anymore because of phantom forces created by the railing going on here and the button staying there. So I was standing here and grinding off the railing, and as I ground off the railing, the elevator snapped back in place and catapulted me up to the roof. But I was already dead at that point, so whoopsie. That was pretty fun though. Belastend. Yep, definitely. Okay, let's get that going. There we go. Okay. I don't need that railing here. That is going to be something like this instead, I think. I wonder if that will look weird from in here. Probably, yeah. That looks pretty weird. Let's not do that. Ouch. Oopsie. Let's just go for full block instead. I probably will put some panels on here too, just to cover it up a little. And of course I can't place it for some reason. Why though? Oh, okay. Because I don't have an attachment point there. Okay, let's leave it like this for now. And I need definitely improvement on my lighting here. Okay. Let's get rid of you. Actually, I need to get rid of you as well. And you. Those windows will stay. That is going to be a full block. Up to here. Ooh, huh. I forgot about the half slabs I have here. Those slopes. I can't really put them in there. The windows will get really small if I do that. Not a fan. Left, middle, right. Which one do I need here? That one. That will look weird from the outside though. Especially if I do it here. Then have a half slab in between and then probably could try that. Let's see. If I do this and put a half slab in between, it might not look weird. Maybe. Let's weld that up and check it out. Interesting, why do I have bulletproof glass with me? That actually doesn't look too bad. I think I'm going to have to break it up though. And of course I'm out of steel plate. Oh god, I need to get to daylight again. I can't see a thing here. Apparently it's not filling up my hydrogen. Oh, it is. Not just very quickly. Okay. Good to know. So let's look at that thing in daylight. Doesn't look too bad, I have to say. I will have to do the underside and the upper one too, though, I think. Let's check that out. Ah, grrr. I'm not a fan. Actually, I think I have an idea how to improve that. That will mean a lot of welding again, but if I do this and put a this slope in here, I could just move the upper window one more block up.
Engineer, a steel plate cannot get to your inventory.
Like this, and put the window. Oh, I can actually get rid of this and this as well then. You know what? Let's grind all of that down and do one example here. I'm actually gonna leave that here though. I need to know where my wall is going to be, or my ceiling. Just going to be here. And if I go now with a slope here, the windows on the bottom will be pretty small, but since that is an elevator, they don't really have to be big. I will keep the looks of it, and I can still put on pretty big windows up here with free spaces. Yeah, I think that might look decent enough, at least for me. That is the correct one for here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do it like this. That actually, I like that look. There, and a part like this here. Oh yeah, I'm going to do that. And down here it will look like this. Let's weld that up and take a look at it from afar, and then use that part as an example for the other part of the wall. Yeah, that definitely works. And there we go. I think I like that. That way I can keep the looks of the building itself a little bit better. Even though it will change up from the middle onward here. I actually have a place to maybe put a light on here or something like that. And I have natural light in here and on top. Not a lot, but better than nothing. How would it look if I put that slope actually here? Because that should work as well, and I don't have to redo the top all over again. Check that out. And of course I'm out of steel plate again. Like this. It is a lot of experimenting today. But I have to do it. Because I want it not to just work, I also want it to look good. At least for me. No, that was definitely the wrong one. I need that one. That way I can leave the top as it is. If I use the correct one. Still have a free block long window. And don't have to redo the whole top end of that building. Okay. I think I'm going to leave it like this. I actually like that a little bit more, I think. Oh, I got one more idea to try. Where is that block I am thinking of? There it is. I put that on here. That is probably something I could do really easy in creative. But I don't like playing in creative. So I'm not going to do it. Oh yeah. That's going to stay like that. That looks great. That looks very good. Alrighty, let's do that. That is going to be a full wall, at least to here. Which means getting rid of that and exchange it with this. Okay, that means I only need to get rid of you and you and you. Not you. Although, since that is the part where the ports are, I might actually make an access to cargo from the outside here. And up here, I only need to get rid of the pot I already started grinding down. Perfect. And I need hydrogen. Alright. Let's get grinding. So, let's those in first. Oh yeah, that is going to look good. That is going to look good. Very good. And I will have an upper floor to deal with. Which means a lot more work. Yay! That is perfect. And that is perfect as well now. Good. Then I should have my elevator room basically finished. Just need to put a ceiling in. Nice, a ceiling right at the height of the cargo axis. That's not optimal. Ew. Whoops, sorry. Need to get used to my microphone arm being on my right side here and not coming in from the front. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Should that be just a simple whole block? Probably not. I think that's not the correct one. That looks good. Mm-hmm. And that should probably be one for the other side as well. And on here we need one of this. Oh god, what am I doing here? There we go. Almost. Ah, crap, I forgot that. I did a wrong thing here. I need to put that on here. Since that is already the ceiling level here, that block. Which means I need to do this again. this right here. And this right here, and this should be that. And like this. Yep. Yep. And ooh. So Marco, are you playing Frozenheim? Frozen whatever it was called again today? Or what are you up to? If I do a half block, I will have the problem of lighting again. But in here, I think I can just use lights on the side. It's not that big of a room that they shouldn't light the whole thing. And since I want to put stuff on top here, I think the best way to go is with a half slab roof. Just like this. Ah, man. Need to place that stupid block first because the doors are actually movable. That is not correct. That looks more correct. Oopsie. Frozenheim. And if you wanna know, I will look for it. You will look for what? I think I already forgot again what I said, so yeah. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't remember. Oops. Alrighty. That is my elevator shaft build up. Or my elevator arriving thingy. Let's call it elevator arriving thingy. That sounds right. Okay, I need a lot of steel plate now in this vehicle here. A lot of steel plate, a lot of this, and I think window construction components. Okay, I thought girders, but that would probably be the other windows. Ah, okay. Now I get it. I didn't want it to look. All right. Construction components. Construction components. That were girders, not construction components. There we go. is on auto. What the hell? Oh, let's put those welders to use here. Okay, that is close to the roof here. I don't think I have enough steel plates with me. Ah, there's my first person view. And I think I forgot a roof part here. I'm a little bit stuck as well. Okay. Maybe I burned it up as well. Who knows? Ooh, no. Too high, too high. I can't see anything again. Oh man. I think I'm already out of steel plate. I am. Well, that didn't last long. Don't hit the ceiling, please. Steel plates. Let's just wait a little bit until the assemblers manage to create a few more here. Actually, what do I need? What do I need for those? Motors, small steel tubes, and computers as well. Okay. Motors, small steel tubes, computers, construction components. And with that, I'm full. You think you're going to restart on a simpler mode? Why? Doesn't work well, or what's the problem there? What, did you the same thing that you did on SnowRunner and started directly in hard mode without knowing anything about the game? Don't notice the controls anymore. Okay. That happens to me after probably a week not playing a game. I mean, I have more than 800 hours, more than 600 hours of Space Engineers so far, and I couldn't remember the steering and the controls in general. And I always try to hit the wrong buttons. Cooking up my programmable blocks pretty good here. I don't think I'm going to be able to weld all of those up. And that's it. And apparently I also don't have any steel plates anymore. Let's put the few bulletproof glass I have in here. on, and the rest I think I'm going to weld up by hand. Alrighty, that should be mostly anything, and apparently I smashed something because I'm smoking. What is smoking? One of the thrusters. No? The hell? What is smoking? That is weird. Let's turn off the welder so I can check. Oh, there it is. That is definitely damaged. But oh, and that one. Okay. Let's repair that, because those are my braking thrusters. I could really use them. Okay. And boom. Done. Ooh. Let's get a few steel plates and get the rest here. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Weld it. Of course, all the way. I know the game, but I don't have any ammunition. Well, that is going to be difficult then. No interface on the Ranger hardcore. Okay. Well, I think a game with no interface might probably be very difficult. But I usually play games where you are really dependent on the HUD and interface and stuff, so that's probably the reason why. Okay, I need 250 steel plates for those things here. No wonder I don't have enough steel plates. Let's do it differently then. Oh, crap. Okay. I really can't access the cargo anymore. I could though if I go for this. I can still access it from here now. Oh, I forgot about the hangar doors in the ground. Damn it. Well, that is going to be a lot of trips back and forth then. Or I try and do it with grid welders, but I don't have cargo access easily here. So it's welding time, everyone. The fights are very hard. Well, if it's one of the hardest modes of the game, they should be, shouldn't they? The hell? I need that. Okay, that looks pretty good, I think. Cannot withdraw 2 motors. That is too bad. Okay, upper floor, done. At least. Flooring. There. Oh yeah, that looks good. I could actually go for a cargo access port right here. Or even here. So that doesn't look so weird. That it's, well, not... that it's simply different than the other ones. Do have to figure out the piping underground though, to get a cargo access easily down there. Okay, outer wall done. Now it's only railings and the door and hangar doors. And then I am done with my elevator room if I set up the door correctly. Three. Let's get rid of those 3. And see if I can put everything in my build planner here now. I can. Oh yeah, those hangar doors use a lot of materials, and those are not even the big ones. And I mean the big ones I modded in, not the... like, well, that those are actually the biggest ones you can make in this game when it is vanilla. And that's pretty weak, in my opinion. But that's going to be the hangar door of the hangar I'm going to build here, I think. Because I don't think the production facility needs a very big hangar. It needs a little one to build some well, a tanker or a buggy or something like that. More wheeled vehicles and not planes and stuff. I might not even extend the building actually. Yeah, I have to extend it. That here is definitely not enough room to build a proper buggy or truck or something like that. Whew. I'm sorry. My alarm clock was relentless this morning at 5. So I am a little bit tired. Doors. Doors hydrogen production. Doors pump house. I need another group. Interesting. I need a group called Doors Production Facility. And I need to set up the timer block for the doors to close all the doors of the production facility. Let's see if that worked. It does. Perfect. You know what? I think I should test the elevator again. And hope it doesn't kill me this time. Is it down? Looks like it's down. Oh, I noticed another flaw in my elevator. The button is a little bit far away from the door when the elevator is not here. Probably should change that. But how? Don't really have room here to put a button in. Should have thought about that earlier. Maybe I just put a button here to call the elevator. I'll think about that later. There we go. That is done. Let's see. There are only those buttons, and that is the best button is small grid here, which is bad. I would love to have this button just maybe here to actually call the elevator. That would be more than enough. I think I need to find a mod for that. There has to be one. Because the control panel is not useful as a button. That sci-fi control panel isn't either. Button panel, meh. And that has so many options. I mean, I could program 4 buttons on here. I don't need that. I need just one. That has one, but it's so big. We'll put it on for now anyway. So that I at least, when I'm staying here and see, hey, if I go in there, there is no elevator, I can call it.
Your battery level will be low on the next beep.
Okay, my battery level is low. Timer block start elevator up trigger now. Timer block elevator up, start elevator up. Trigger now. That is working. Perfect. I could set up a timer that blocks the door from opening when there is no elevator. I don't really know how to do that. I don't know, I have to look into that later. So the other thing I need to do is set up a panel probably here and on the other side to close or open the hangar door. Where did I put it now? Oh, there it is. Right here and right here. There we go. And I need the... what's it called? Warfare? Hangar door, exactly. Elevator. Truck door? So that I know that it's a door for the trucks, maybe? Elevator truck door, open, close. And the same thing here. Elevator door, open, close. That looks good. All right. Yeah, so let's lay out the ground floor in daylight though for the hangar building, or hangar part of the building. I wonder if I can adjust the sleep mod that it's not sleeping till 8, but maybe till 6 or something like that. I've not tried that yet. That needs to go. Because that is... Ooh, oopsie. I ground down the wrong thing first. Will I find that again? Apparently not. Oh, there it is. Ah, that means I can also get rid of that. And put a normal window in here. I actually can put a very normal window in here because I can do that. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, come on. I'm surely able to carry all of that. Where is it? There it is. Come on. There we go. Alrighty. I am pretty happy with that. And on top of that, I can put in some sort of living quarters if I have the time for it. Or if I want to do it. Which, right now, I don't. I wanna get a foundation for the hangar building. Down here. Which means going down here. Actually, no, I would have to go. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like this. Yep. Should I make it rounded? Sure, let's try it a little bit more rounded. That might look pretty big. And from the height, I will go the same height as this here. Because I think that is enough for buggies and trucks and stuff. If I have to change it at some point, I have to, but I'm going to leave it like this, I think, for now. That could actually mean I could go and start the slope already here. Will that look good though? Not really. Not really. Let's start here. This. How am I going to do that? This is going to have a full block. So I'm going to go... Oops, that was one too much, but I will keep it. And now I can go with two... those. In theory, at least. That's too quickly. I think that is too quick to go to 45-degree angle here. Let's do one more row of those. Oh, come on. Urgh. What am I doing here? The hell? I am confused. You might have noticed I am confused. Yeah, that's better. Definitely better. That way I have a little bit more headroom here. Maybe I will extend it to like a little loft or something here. We'll see. Now I can go with the 45-degree angle. Like this. Or let's say 2 spaces. Nope, not 2 spaces. I need to measure out where I have to put the actual door in. Yeah. Yep. That is going to work, I think. That and that. And right here, the door will start. But problem with that is it's also not a lot of room to actually have a hangar. Or should I go like a little bit of a garage in that direction? No, probably not. It needs to be pretty high because I want to have like a crane in there. So I probably need to be at least 2 spaces above the door, and then have the roof here. Need to go 1 higher in this space. That should work. That should actually work, I think. If I go like this. Yep, that is definitely working. Just like this, and if I go instead of a Slope like that for a half slab on top. I'm able to put lights in the middle. Not in the middle. I'm able to put lights inside and have a little bit more headroom for actually building stuff. Yep. Definitely going to do that. Alright. Now it's only placing a lot of blocks and then probably at a later stage, because I don't want to do that today. Not even sure if I want to do that on stream, welding all of that up. Should I have? I should probably have some windows in here, which I actually could do pretty easily, I think. Yeah. Let's do that right away, or I forget it. How wide should they be, though? Should they be as wide as those? Probably. Look pretty sick. Okay, that means I need this here. This here. That. Am I far enough? I am. There we go. Now I can put the same thing in the middle. Then put some big ass windows in it. Just like this. That doesn't seem right. Okay. Because if I grind that out now, nothing will actually fall down anymore. Well, maybe not nothing, but not much. Let's say not much will fall down if I don't mess it up. Which I might well do. Okay. What options for windows do I have? 1x2 slope. That is the only option I have. And I could put one here. And one here. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. I'll do 2. And 2 here. And I think in the middle I will leave those two like support beams run down as well. Yep. Yep. That means the same thing here. 2 here, beam, and 2 here. I can't place it because I don't have any girders. Come on, I need more girders. $169. Nice. Yeah, that would look weird if it is in the middle, I think. Actually, would be in the middle here, and here it would be completely down. Sure, let's go with that. Why not? Why the hell not? It's different, at least. So, now for the fun part, duplicating all of that all the time without making any mistakes. Yeah, like that. Why is that turning differently? Damn it. And that's it already. Okay. Sure. And a big ass beam in here as well. That, and come on, that. Bloop. 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 And bloop. Bloop.
I know fuel prices are high.
Well,
I didn't realize this was a no jetpack run.
no jetpack run, yep. TT for bottle. Am I doing this right? Yeah, I am. Da, 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 da. Doop, doop. Yep. And that will be the last beam for this part at least. Did I do that correctly? Yes, I did. Up. 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 Ooh. Oh. Okay, I think it's almost time to put the rest of the windows in. And then I have at least started with my hangar part of the building here. Should I leave that? I think I should leave that like this. So it goes like straight and then goes into the slope window. I am so thankful that static is not a thing in this game here. Because I'm pretty sure if it would be, that would not work out well. And that's not even the weirdest thing I've built here. Good thing that water is also not a thing, especially from rain. Because I just created a pool here, right there. But I don't really want to change anything about it, because I really like how that will look once it's done. But I messed up a little bit, at least. I messed up the side here. That should be this, and that should be a normal half slab. Full block, not a full block. Now I have to grind out all the blocks that won't be full blocks here. Okay. And I will also be able, which I just noticed, to continue the pattern I have on the side here. I go like this, and then this should be a block like that, and this, and then I will have the windows right there again, just a little bit shorter all the time. I like that. I like that very much. Should I go for a full block though? That would actually make even more sense if I would do that. That would mean that I have that here. That's a window, so that can be a full block anyway. And that is the roof. I will lose 1 block in height. Oh, I actually won't. No, I actually won't. Never mind. I can change that up so that I won't lose a block in height, at least in the middle, I think. That is going to be 4 blocks here. Oops. I'm happy. I'm happy how that looks so far. Well, you can't really make out how it will look, but I have a pretty good feeling about this. And I can make that part look good if I go for the... maybe for this one here. Where is it? Isn't that in here? Oh, it's in here. Okay. If I go for this on the edges, I think it might look pretty decent. I can go for the corner tip right there. Yep. Yep. That is what I'm going to do. And then I will have a window again here. Oh man, why am I dropping steel frames all the time here? Something is wrong though. What did I do wrong here? Is it wrong? No, it's not wrong. Why did I think it was wrong? Huh. Who knows? Who knows what I was thinking there? Actually, with that I can get rid of the rain trap here, I think. Yep, because I go for half block here. Like this. Where is it? There it is. I will have the problem with the lights again, but I will not have the problem with having a weird little rain thingy everywhere. I actually am out of steel plates now. Yeah, I think that will look better. And then I put some more windows in for maybe. Because that is still definitely not enough room to build a decent truck. What is going on here? What did I do? That is so... That is very confusing. What I'm doing here right now. Okay, so... It is currently... like that. I think that is the way to go. Ooh. To make it not look weird. Yeah, because now I have like a little beam running in this direction here. Now I will extend the roof the same distance again. And then I should have enough room to work with. Which means another 1, 2, 3 pillars, and the fourth one will be the last, I think. So 1 pillar, 2, 3, oops, and that will be the end of my hangar. Ooh, that is actually very big. Let's go for 3 pillars and let the third one be the last one. Like that. That will be more than enough room to build a few trucks and probably even store a few trucks, I think. Now let's get rid of all that crap I dropped here. Here we go. So, the same thing here. One. Oops. What the hell? 2 and end of the hangar. Well, I actually managed to lay out the bottom here. Perfect. Good. Very good. Okay, the floor will be the hangar door. I probably should use them right away then. Where are they again? There they are. Okay, I will save a few materials though, because I will do most of it in half slabs. Need to check something though. Is that really that big of a bump here? As it looks. Because that looks like it's getting like 20 centimeters above the other plates. It does. Interesting. You can walk across it smoothly, so probably not a problem. Alrighty. Let's lay out the floor. And of course the complete flooring will be in half slabs, and for now it will not be welded up because I need to figure out
disconnecting browser, disabling
I need to figure out how to do the piping in here, or mainly under here hopefully. And since I have all scrap on, I don't want to waste all those materials. Well, I forgot a few here. But that seems to be all of them. Alrighty. Well, that means I'm going to lay out the rest of the building here today. Probably not the roof. I probably will leave the roof open for now. And then I think I'm going to end it for tonight. And just so you know, tomorrow I'm going to play Icarus for the first time together with Ukos. That will be a German stream, since we are both Germans. And I hope I see a few of you over there tomorrow at 7, probably. Maybe 6:30. We haven't decided that yet. Okay, that looks good. Oops. Now it doesn't look so good anymore. Let's put the worst parts directly in here, which are those stupid window parts. Oh, look at that. That's not how it's supposed to be. I need you in here. And in here. And in there. Damn
So I
you.
guess you like climbing ladders then? I
It
didn't
was
realize
close
this
again.
was a no-check background.
That was very close and dropping out of the sky again. Oops. That is what I want. Okay, that is already in. Ooh. Interesting. No clouds, but thunder. Didn't know how that works. That unknown signal is dropping basically on my head. Oh, I will be so happy when I weld this up. Because that is a lot of work. Always to the left here. Go to the south. The notch on those walls. I get that right. Don't want to mess that part up.
I'm the one keeping you alive. Maybe you should keep my battery topped up with that in mind.
That means I need this one here, I think. Yes. And now I need those again. Let's sleep once more and then finish the scaffolding here. Isn't that thing piped up? It is. Perfect. That means I can refill my bottles while I'm sleeping. Last few pieces of the puzzle. Windows in, then the door in the front, and then I am done for today, I think. I will, however... Yeah, I will not do the roof today, because that is going to be probably a nightmare, considering I want to have it look decent from above. Probably will have to copy the roof on the existing part of the building here. So that needs to be right here. And I hope that this is fitting. It is. Awesome! Got that scaffolding done. Man, that's a big building. So yeah, I lied a little bit. It's not a hangar. It's more like a garage. Since I'm going to build trucks in here and stuff. But I got that enclosed, which means I can put a little bit of a living quarters or something like that up here. And yeah, I hope you liked that little excursion on Space Engineers today. And now, I hope you guys stick around for the raid I'm going to start pretty soon now. So, let's see to whom I'm going to send you today. Let's go on Twitch and let's search for Space Engineers. Here we go. Hello? Are you doing anything? Ah, there we go. Poking the dragon, looking at a random server. Okay, probably not. My fortress will be built. That actually sounds pretty good. Let's check him out. Yeah, sure. Let's give it a try, shall we? Is he actually streaming in English? His info is weirdly in German. He doesn't talk. Well, that's not cool. I'm not going to send you to him then. Scenario Lost Colony. That actually sounds really good. I'm going to send you to him, I think. So, yeah, I hope you liked it again. And if you did, you know what to do. And if you didn't, you know what to do as well. I will play some Icarus tomorrow at around 7 with Fukos. And on Wednesday, as always, I will play some more SnowRunner hard mode. So I hope I see all of you for that. And yeah, have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.